Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna do an AliExpress stationery haul. I ordered these items, I think it was like November 3rd. Today is the 14th. I received this package yesterday, so it took 10 days to get to me, and then this package took 11 days to get to me, which is not bad at all for AliExpress. I remember when it used to take months to receive your orders from AliExpress, but now it's actually a lot quicker. So I have not opened this package yet, but I have opened this package, so we will get into this one first. So I ordered a leather cover. It's an A6 size in this purple color. It only comes with this leather piece and then this elastic here for the closure. I did put this elastic in myself, which I'm probably going to take out because it's not thick enough for me, and I can't really use this right now since I have too many inserts going on in my traveler's notebook. So when I slim down, I will move into this cover. It wasn't much at all. It was like $15. It was under $15. It wasn't $15. It was under $15. But I probably am going to make the holes bigger myself. As you can see, they're pretty tiny little holes. But this purple color is beautiful. I can't wait to see if it like patinas or whatnot, because right here, as you can see, it's dark, and then the spine, you can kind of see that color is gonna be, and it's so pretty. So yeah, I ordered this, and then I'm excited to open this because I don't know. I mean, I kind of remember what I ordered, but then I don't at the same time, and I'm just excited because I haven't even opened this yet. So just trying to avoid showing my address. Oh wow, there's like multiple packages in one. So let's open them one at a time. Let's see. Oh, we got stickers. I've been having these things in my cart on AliExpress for the longest. I just thought, just buy it. I mean, everything all together was under $30, so. So, oh my goodness. Try not to hit the tripod, but let's do a quick little glimpse. I'm not gonna do like a flip through of all stickers. If there is something you are interested in this haul, let me know and I will try to link it for you. Oh, that one's so pretty. Oh my goodness, I love that one with the window. Oh my goodness, I love these stickers. Look how cute. I love these so much. Look at the clouds. Okay, so there's that, and then in here I'm pretty sure it's washi, just by how it feels. Okay, so I have, this box is so tiny. Oh my goodness, they're so beat up too. Was it 4 washes or was it 5? I can't remember. I swear I felt like there was 5 rolls that came in this, but it's 4. Super thin. Look, you don't even get nothing, but I thought these washi tapes were so cute. So I got that. Put these back, and then what's in here? Just shine it in the light to make sure I'm ready where I should. Some stickers. So here's kind of like how they look. They're so cute. I don't even feel like taking them out the packaging right now. how cute. Maybe I will just take everything out of the packaging. So, got some, just honestly the rest of these are stickers. So I got these little, this little pack of stickers. Just kind of like positive quotes and all that. Give your mind time to unwind. That's so cute. Go easy on yourself. Whatever you do today, let it be enough. Oh my goodness, these are cute. That's so cute. Make that money, sis. That's cute. Same like with the pandas, but these are frogs. And then I got another panda sticker pack. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, so I honestly don't feel like opening them right now, because right here you can still see a little bit clearer. Like, how cute are those? They're like little, like, just cute character stickers. And then this one, instead of like picking them individually, I ended up picking the whole pack because they were all cute. Wait a minute. I am not sure if these are the right ones that I bought. Now that I think about it, ma'am. I remember buying, it was like girls. I don't think these are what I bought. I mean, they're really cute anyway, but like, I don't think this is what I bought. I need to go back and look. I mean, these are super cute, but I swear I don't remember buying these. I remember it being the pack where it was like girls and there was like, I don't know, but it was a super cute like sticker pack. See, now I'm curious now, because I swear I don't remember buying these. I just don't feel like pulling out each sheet individually and like sharing it, because I mean, they're pretty much right here on the back. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I did not. Well, that's it for my stationery haul. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, if there's anything that you like and you want me to try and link it, let me know. Can't wait to play with my new stationery, especially since I really haven't been journaling much at all. I just have not had time, not had the energy. I've just honestly just life with 2 kids and managing a home and everything. It's just a lot, but I still committed to staying up to date with my A6. Both my kids are with grandma right now, and so hopefully I can sit down and catch up, because when I tell you I have not journaled, you can see sticky notes, nothing, just writing here's 3 months, nothing. Today's Friday, and so yeah, like a whole week plus I have not wrote anything, which don't take long. Just I don't even know if I'm gonna put stickers down. I'm just gonna be like bullet points, just write just like how I did, like, you know, here. Try to make it super simple. Like, I'll just write and then later on I'll go back to add stickers. So sometimes I don't even add stickers right away. I wait and add them after. But yeah, I'm honestly really excited to finish this notebook, but sad to see it go at the same time. But I'm so excited to start my Kimber dailies. I'm so excited. So yeah, and then I have my journal back here. Did a little magazine image. This little sticker calendar is from Daiso. And then let's see here. I thrifted this little memo pad here, and I just cut it up and fit it in here, and I'm pretty much just using it for gratitude. I haven't even, like I said, today's Friday. That's okay, I can always fill it in. My daughter did some coloring because she really wanted to color in my journal, and now I can go in and finally like fill up this notebook with a bunch of stickers that I got today. And yeah, I'm really excited though. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.